guys, thanks for stopping by. My name is Zoobie and welcome to Fireworks Mania. So this is a game where it's pretty explanatory, self-explanatory, I guess. Here. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So I think I can just blow stuff up. So, I'm gonna blow this house up. What special Tim? This guy looks big and explosive. Oh god. Oh, there goes the house. Well, it didn't really blow up, but it definitely caught on fire, and that's pretty much what I wanted it to do. So I'll count it. Okay. The next thing I want to blow up. This gas station. So I'm gonna put a thick billy here. Put multiple thick billium. Fuse connection tool. I want it to go instant. So I'm gonna connect them all. Cool. And then ignite. And yeah. Nice. Cool. That was pretty fun. How are you guys doing over here? Doing good? Doing good? Now I do want to blow this up, though. Is there something I can use? Firecrackers? Doom Boom. Let's try the Doom Boom. And then maybe, novelties. No. Props. Propane tank. Let's try a few of these. Okay, fuse connection tool. Fuse connection. Don't mind me just connecting some Doom Booms at a gas station. Doom Boom sounds like a terrorist organization. What am I even saying? Ignite one of them. Okay, there we go. So, that blew up the gas station, alright. Where can we go now? Is there anything that I can explode right now? Bob, you got a dope hardware store? But you know what? You gotta be open. So you know what I'm doing then? I'm gonna put a propane tank. A white propane tank. And Senor Tim. I apologize, Bob. Oh god, I can't get out. I can't get out. I can't get out. That wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Okay. Oh, that house is on fire though. I don't know how. Okay, let's check out the tubes. We got, I forget this guy's name. Captain Sauce. We got Mr. Beast. Max Supplier. Septic Eye in the sky. Let's try it. I don't know why I did that. Let's try him. Oh, that's cool. They sampled Jack. Did you guys hear that? Okay, I'm gonna try Markiplier. Did they sample him? Oh no, but they put his mustache in the sky. That's cool. I don't know why I turned caps lock on. What's Cutie Pew? Oh, so it's just like wave design. Okay. What was Captain Sauce's thing? Ooh. That one was kind of nice. Okay, I want to blow something up. Let's go to this store. It's a pawn shop. Pawn transaction. Okay, let's go. Sorry, buddy. I'm breaking in and entering. Okay. There's a soccer ball in here. Can I bounce it? Yep. Okay. I think this deserves... Ooh, I can put a spotlight up. I'm gonna do that just so you guys can see Tim. How do you rotate? Rotate like that. Cool. Okay, time to put Timmy. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Tims. And I'm gonna connect them all with the fuse connection tool. Is this a bad idea? Probably. Do I care? Not one little tiny bit. Oh god. I thought my computer was about to crash there. I obliterated the store. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Okay, let's check out the next map. Okay, so while I was switching to the new map, I found out that there's some workshop items, and if you listen closely, you know what this means? I could blow up a Minecraft village. Oh my god. The water doesn't do anything, which I don't care about, but I'm in Minecraft right now. Like, this is so cool. This is so well made. How did they do this? I'm in a villager's house right now. There's the... I'm gonna blow something up. Okay, the song's getting annoying, actually. I never thought I'd say the Minecraft audio is getting annoying, but you know what? Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna hit up an amazing granny. That made me jump a little bit. Okay. I kind of want to go onto the roof of one of these. I just need better hops for that. Or maybe I can just go into do this. Key up! Okay. This is so cool. I mean, the clouds, obviously, are the game's clouds. What's a good rocket? I think the World Stopper would be a good one. Let's check it out. I pressed the wrong button. Q, ignite tool. Nope, that wasn't good. Specials Tim. You know what? I'm sorry, villagers, and cows, and iron golems, and anybody who lives in Minecraft. So cool. It lights up everything. This is such a cool game. Okay. There has to be something I can do. Like, I can wreak havoc. I just want to wreck some stuff. Like, in this cave here. Can I do anything in the cave? Put a Tim in the cave? I just want to see if this crashes my computer. Oh, it's damn near it. How did it get out? I was like in a room there. Still lighting up. It's so cool. Oh, the flowers. This is really, like, intricately designed. I'm gonna go over to that mountain. It's like they actually, like, used a Minecraft seed for this. I wonder if there actually is a Minecraft seed for this and if I can find it and, like, play it. Oh, I see the edge of the world. Can I do anything up here? Other than scream! Novelties. Maybe... lady fingers and male toes. Snapper purple. You guys know. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Watch. Okay. What's a shoot boy purple? That just looked like it farted. Guys, my comedy is just peak. Oh, cool. Okay, I'm gonna put just a bunch of Tims. I'm just gonna spam some Timmies. Yep. Okay, now let's do the fuse connection tool. They are everywhere. Oh, but it's on slow mode. Okay, well, I'll do these. Oh, they might light each other. Yep, I was right. Yep. Oh my. Oh, hey, there's still a few left. See you guys. Oh, and there's still more. Okay, let's do the fuse connection tool. Yeah, instant. Oh, and there's still more down here. Cool. Let's go. Well, guys, it's been nice knowing you.